there was a storm here, and I can show you the greenhouse held very well, but there was some minor damages. You see here, there was a ripple here in the plastic, and you can see it as well here. Some of the plastic was torn, and it's a bit there as well, and there, and because it was just held up, I'll show you on the outside. And this was only held up by this. You can see I nailed them like this, and you see it's very few on. Put some extra now, but there's very few on to hold the plastic in place. So it's of course more power per surface to be ripped apart. So this one came off here. It was like a open here, and it could have continued ripped. So the plastic was ripping this way as it was rolled onto this. The roll goes from there to there like that. So that was kind of sad. I guess I can do ventilation openings here later for the spring and summer when it's going to get really hot. And the same here. And that way I can store the really hot air in the top and then let it out on in the height of the canopy of maybe say corn or whatever, that otherwise going to get very hot at the top, and then you can just close it in the night and you keep the heat from top maybe going down a bit. Yeah, so there's a note. Otherwise, you know, it was 27 wind meters. You know, there was a lot of trees in this forest who fell, big ones, you know, so like big root. You see the barrel down there, it blew all the way down there. Many things are blown away. So it stood very good. I was scared that it was going to blow away all of it, but it's been anchored very well, and you know, so that's the only thing that happened. So that's this building plastic works really well for building greenhouses or green or polytunnels, instead of buying the maybe 3 times more expensive greenhouse plastic.